Hey guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel. So in previous episode I showed you how to insert some data into your table, and now I'm going to show you how to change some data, how to update your data. Well, this is also very simple command. Let me show you. You are going to use command update and then table name, item. We are going to update this same table, and then you're going to use command set, and you're going to set values. In what way? First, provide your column name. Let's say item name, and we are going to say honey. And after every element you have to provide comma. Now we have units. Units, it's also textual value, so we are going to provide these apostrophe signs. And units are piece. So honey is usually sold in jars, maybe 1 or 1.2 kilograms each. So it's piece. And finally, we are going to provide price. Price, let's say 9 USD. Okay. And at the end, we have to provide condition. And we are going to do that with keyword where. And you probably noticed that we have this first row in our item table empty. So we are going to correct that mistake right now. So condition is going to be where item ID equals to 0. Okay, now I'm going to execute this query. Everything went well. And now I'm going to select all from item table. Again, F5, and you see in the first row we have honey, units, pieces, and 9 USD per piece. And let's try another example right now. Let's say that we would like to change this text piece, and we want this P to be capital letter. How to do that? We are going to use our update statement. So update table item set units equals another value where units equals all value, and execute that. Now I'm going to select all from that table once again. Don't forget from keyword F5, and yes, small letter P is changed by capital one in every single element. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya!